It's the Undiscovered Podcast. I need motion, I need traction, I need subscribers. Like, share, comment, subscribe. So this one here. So it's the aftermath after all the snowstorm, all the snow in New York City. These dudes in New York City, y'all is soft when it come down to the snow. Worrying about how y'all gonna get out. The garbage trucks did y'all dirty. So I'm gonna keep it a Google. I'm originally from East New York, Brooklyn. I moved upstate New York quite some time ago. I'm not gonna give how many years because then it's whatever. But with that being said and done, living upstate New York would make it a walk in the park for me to clean up coming to the city. If I was in New York City, I'd be charging $100 a car that I dig out. No diddy. You know, I give it up. So that's that. So upstate New York, we gotta do our walkway, our sidewalk, our driveway. And you only gotta dig up around your car? That's easy money. If, say for example, if I had a pickup truck, I will clean out the whole row of cars. Just like, yo, do you know that car? Do you know the people that own that car? Do you have 10 cars lined up? Clear that shit out. Make me a band. Make me a band in less than an hour if I had a pickup truck. Now, if I had like a Jeep with a snow blower in the back of it, I'd be chopping all that stuff up. Zoom, 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 zoom. But I'm telling you, if I was shoveling the snow by myself with an actual shovel, I'm charging you $120. Cause I'm be moving snow for like an hour or two. Believe me, I know. I've been I've been living upstate New York for quite some time. The snow is much realer and it makes it look like a walk in the park to what y'all complaining about. Tomorrow I'm gonna drop a video and show y'all the driveway. It's the Undiscovered Podcast. I need motion, I need traction, I need subscribers. And I'm out.